Oh, Wilfred as a friend. Ooh, gash across the side of the face. Look how long that gash is, boy. Then we got 2 holes in the jaw. Ooh, one right. Oh yeah, look at that. A double hit, a single hit, a single hit, a single hit. One went right in there, and one went right across. Just skimmed him, ripped open his fucking jaw. And now we're gonna take our time and show you my aim. And damn, just look at the back of that head, boy. Ooh, one right across the top of the skull. Look at that.